Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Glam Wicked Witch Halloween look. To start out this look, I'm going to be putting tape on the edges of my eyes and using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in white. I'm using this to prime my eyelids. Next, we're going to be using the Morphe Picasso Palette, and I'm going to be using the bright purple shade. Using this mostly in the crease area. In the outer corners, we're trying to create a sharp line, and that is why we use the tape. I'm trying to keep most of the color concentrated to the outer corner and blending inward. Next, I'm adding a little bit of white to the inner corners of the lid area. To create some dimension, I'm using the Buxom customizable eyeshadow palette, and we are using this kind of purplish violet color in the outer corners. And then I'm using a little bit of black in the very deep part of the outer corners to create more dimension. I decided then to put on some liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the Elf liner pen. Now I removed the tape and I'm going over the eyeliner with some black eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the Mehron Green face paint, and this is an aqua paint that you use with water. And going to put it all over the face, neck, and ears area. If you were going to wear this out as a Halloween costume, you would want to put it on your arms or anywhere else that would be exposed. I decided to put the eyeshadow on first because I've had problems with using the eyeshadow after using the face paint in the area, so that is why I did that here. Also keep in mind when using the face paint that you may have to go over it with a second layer, but I felt like this green one did pretty well for me. Now with some black eyeshadow, I'm going in and shaping and filling in my eyebrows. I filled them in pretty solidly and made them kind of boxy and square, like you usually see most Wicked Witches look like. To add some dimension and contour to the face, I used a little bit of the darker green color in the Morphe palette and used this as a contour all the way around the face, on the cheekbones, nose, and any other place where I felt it needed some dimension. After contouring, I also used a light lime green shade to highlight all the areas that needed highlighting, like the cheekbones and the nose area. Here I am just putting down color and blending it out until I'm happy with the amount of color that I have there. Next, I'm using the Mehron black face paint and I am sketching out where I want the lips to end. I am very much overlining the lips for this look. Then I am filling in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn Blood. Then I use the same black face paint and start to darken the edges to create a more ombre type of look. And here I'm sort of fading the black into the red with a black eyeshadow that I'm sort of blending into the red. Next, I go in with the same purple on a fluffy brush and put it underneath the eye for a smoky kind of look. Then I try to go in with the Elf eyeliner pen to create a sort of pointy inner eyeliner shape, but it wasn't wanting to really go over the paint very well, so I end up switching to the black face paint again with a tiny little brush and trying to create a pointy inner eye shape. Then I go with some black eyeshadow again underneath the eye. Here I'm brightening up the inner corners with the lime green and sort of bringing it into the eyebrow area to make it look like I had green skin underneath where the eyeshadow goes. Here I decided to add a beauty mark above the lip with the black face paint. I felt like it needed to be a little bit darker, so I added a little bit more black to the eyeshadow look. Then I curled my lashes and coated them with a mascara. Here I'm using the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara, and I will be topping them with some fake lashes later on. And I topped it with my black and teal colored wig. And that completes this Glam Wicked Witch Halloween makeup look. I think that the green face paint will really make you stand out, and I like the use of a more modern looking wig and more modern looking makeup to create this look. With a little black dress and a pointy hat, I think this could be a complete Halloween look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.